How to change edit mode and power director. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can find this three line icon. Simply tap on this three line icon. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you can find a section called Preferences. Simply tap on Preferences. So basically, we're in the settings interface. Here, you can find different options and even customize it. So here on the top, there's a section of UI edit mode. Simply tap on it. So this is the place where you can select different modes. So it's up to you and the way you want to edit your video. So simply tap on the one, and at last you can simply go back and it's all saved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.